Aline, and I'm a busy mom of two with no green thumb. I got tired of plastic packaging and food waste and was wondering about the chemicals on my leafy greens. So I spent the past 3 years researching and testing materials, plants and prototypes to create a living, breathing product. My mission was to not only feed my family fresh, chemical-free food, but also make it look like beautiful art in the home. I wanted to create a solution that overcomes the 3 main reasons why people struggle to grow at home: space, time, and don't know how. The Hydro Art Pot overcomes these problems. The Hydro Art Pot is a complete indoor gardening system. It doesn't need soil. Water circulates automatically and is kept in the specially shaped spouts, so plants continuously get all the nutrients they need. The app tells you whenever you need to do something. It's that easy. State-of-the-art grow lights mean that your plants grow fast, so you can eat them sooner. We designed it like a picture frame, to look like green art in your home. Thanks to the special fixings, it hangs on any wall, or you can stand it on its feet. Planting is as easy as using a coffee pot, thanks to our pre-packed seed pods. Unlike other indoor gardens, you will never need to measure plant food. Just drop in the pre-dosed plant food when the app notifies you. We designed the world's first indoor garden with extra support for plants as they grow larger, so you can grow anything from leafy greens to tomatoes, cucumbers, peas and beans. You can harvest your plants from as early as 21 days and continue growing fresh veggies as long as you want, for 365 days of the year. The Hydro Art Pot takes as little energy as a small aquarium and only needs a water top-up every other week. We want to give everyone the opportunity to ditch chemicals and plastic packaging and instead harvest at home all year around. We need your help to bring the Hydro Art Pot to life. Join us and back our campaign today.